Hey everybody, this is Matt at Gravendall Games. I figured to give you an update on where I'm at with the quest details portions of Heroes of Gravendall. So really quickly, you can see the pictures up here where you select the floor and the walls is now changed to a drop down. These are some of the things that I've added so far. We'll go through each of them. There's Trash Bin, which I haven't programmed yet, and that's to remove items from the map. Rotate, which is used for the furniture items. The Select tool, which is used to select and it'll bring up the Properties window on the right tab, right side of the screen, which is currently blank. The pan buttons, they're still there, but I also added where you could use your keyboard. So you can use WASD or the arrow keys, which is very helpful because if you're drawing something along here, you don't have to move your mouse up. You can just keep going. So let me go back to walls, fill that back in. And the last button is a save button, which is actually saving it. So if I hit refresh, you can see it loads back in. Before I was just showing how to draw, but I actually wasn't saving it to the database. Now it does. So let's go in. One thing we missed here is a door, I think, right here. So let's change that to a floor. Go ahead and add a door. And then let's just change some things up and do something different. Let's say we wanted a room in here. We didn't want people to know about it. So let's go ahead and put a secret door here. So a secret door is different than a regular door where it has to be on a floor. Instead, it has to be on a wall. So let's just put it right there. As you can see, it's made vertical. If you did it on a wall down like here, you can see now it's a horizontal door. Next is the furniture. So the furniture, instead of showing the green arrow, I'm actually showing the furniture, kind of like a translucent picture of it. So let's scroll over here. Where was my bookshelf? And if I hit the R key, that's going to rotate. It's the same as pressing it up here. So if you rotate, you can see it's there. Rotate again, it's there. But instead, you can just use your R button and rotate. It's going to be red if you can't fit it. But as soon as it can fit, you can see it. So put a bookshelf there. How about a table? Gotta put the table right here. And then a treasure chest. But you can see how this is helpful with the rotate, because then you can just see it out of the blue. That. And last but not is the traps. So let's just put a trap right here. And right here. So right now I just have a spear trap in there, but you can also just draw. So you can just fill in a huge line if you wanted. I'll hit save, and as you can see, if I refresh, the page is still there. So that's where I'm at. Rather than keep continuing to add furniture items, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the properties thing. So when you can actually select an item and remove furniture from here, and then bring up the properties where you'll set up the trigger points and set the inventory of it, so you can actually put stuff in the chest or in the table. Okay, see you again. Hope you like it. If you do, please support me on Patreon and like, comment, and give me any questions that you may have. Thanks.